Getting back to work on Old Betsy. Welcome to First Gen Diesel. It's First Gen Friday. Alright guys, there's been some parts I've been waiting for, this being one of them. So this is a 4-inch downpipe that fits an HE351 and fits on a First Gen. It was hard to find one of these. I thought I was going to have to make one myself. Anyway, I found it on eBay for about 180 bucks for this thing. It's not stainless steel like the rest of the exhaust is, so we'll see how it holds up. One thing that's really been holding me up is the brakes. The rear brakes. I never finished the rear brakes on this truck. One side was good, the other side had a bad leak. And going to O'Reilly's in Napa, they give me a seal that just doesn't seem to work. Alright, so if you go to Napa or O'Reilly's to get this wheel seal for the rear axle, they're going to give you this part number. And this seal does not work. If you put this seal on, it's going to leak because there is a huge gap. The seal doesn't even touch the axle if you use this seal. Did a bunch of searching and found some other part numbers, and then so I ordered that part number off of eBay and came up with this seal here, and you can see that this seal fits very tight up against the axle. So, and it is pretty darn tight, so that worries me a little bit, it being too tight, but it spins. I'm guessing as long as it's lubed up it'll be fine. I guess it's better than leaking all the oil from the axle everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side up this week, and we're gonna put the diamond eye exhaust on, which I have in the box here. We got the whole system front to back. I didn't have a downpipe. I ended up using that on Gala out there when I did the stacks. So I knew I was going to need a special one for the HE351, and so I bought that off of eBay. And then of course I bought this from Diamond Eye. It's going to be a real tight fit, but we're going to make it work. Yeah, I do not have the turbo fastened yet. You'll notice it's a little loose on the flange right here. Just want to make sure everything's good before I finally cinch that gasket up. Because once you crush that gasket, you can't reuse it. So if anyone from Diamond Eye happens to watch this video, if you could use smaller stickers. These things are huge and it takes a lot of work to get all this damn glue off. It feels like I'm gonna spend an hour just getting stickers off of this pipe. Look at these big old things. And if you fire this thing up with the glue on there, those marks are going to be on there permanently. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the diamond eye install. So this week I've got a little bonus for the video. I had a subscriber ask if he could send me some pictures of his truck, and I thought it was a great idea. So he sent me some pictures and I'm going to put them right here. If you guys want to send me photos of your truck, feel free to send them to myers.firstgen@gmail.com. You guys have a great weekend.